Evening all, welcome to what I'm reliably informed is the 9th US conference. This is your event, so please enjoy it. Take the opportunity to network, make use of the expert sessions, the Ask the Expert sessions and the breakout sessions. Have some fun. We're here to have fun, to learn, to share experiences and have a great time.
I would absolutely recommend this conference. What's wonderful about being in the space with other FleetWave users is that I'm learning about things that might not have occurred to me that seem very simple to others, and I think we can play off of each other's strengths that way, and it's an absolutely great networking opportunity.
I really enjoy the conference because you get to hear how other departments or agencies and companies are using FleetWave, and it gives us ideas of some of the things that we make and take back, and then I enjoy hearing about what's to come and getting to see actually what the system can do.
So this is my first time at the conference, and I would highly recommend it to any FleetWave end users out there. Just today alone, I've learned so much, and I was able to work with a couple of the experts and get some little tweaks done to our system to make it even better.
I would definitely recommend it to other users, like having the accessibility to the Chevin personnel from the product development side to the CEO.
I would highly recommend people come just to get a concept of what there is out there and who's doing what. It's, super beneficial.
Oh, I give Chevin conferences a 10 at all times. Excellent people, excellent entertainment.